Looking at Tesla this week, here on the weekly chart, we have just seen a breakthrough of the weekly level at 291. So things are looking up for Tesla as we've just seen the breakout. We've also seen a gap here on the weekly time frame. So bulls really pushing this this particular stock up quite a bit, and things look very good for Tesla. Coming over to the daily time frame, the question is, where do you get long on Tesla? Now that we've seen the breakout, what's next more than likely going to happen is a pullback. All right, so I think it would be really great to see a pullback back down here to this nice little demand zone at 280 down to 275, and then continue to rally to the upside into 300 as we look at price just moving in waves. So I'd love to see a gap fill, gap closure right in there, and then into new highs as we breach the 300 mark and up higher. Okay. Looking at the 4-hour time frame here on Tesla, looks pretty much the exact same as the daily. We're looking at price coming back here into this area of consolidation where we have the nice support area from 276 up to 282. Looking for price to bounce off that zone and then continue into new highs. So we will see if that happens this week or not. Looking at GM today, on the big weekly time frame, we've been in somewhat of a range for the past couple of years, and we've retested this zone from 37 up to 39, and we've hit that several times, and it's turned the zone to this nice brown color. And I think if we can find support down here at 31, down to 30, that we could see the 38 zone popped. Okay, so it's all a question of finding support right now, and until that happens, I think the market could continue to drop, but it's really about finding support and then retesting these highs right around the 38 zone up here. So on the big weekly time perspective, I think we can continue to go down, but I'm looking to find demand as soon as possible and then give a retest of these highs here. Looking at GM on the daily perspective, this is one of the support areas that I was really kind of looking at, is from 32.75 up to 33.10. I would like to see how price respects this zone. So until that point, I think we could continue to drop. I don't think that this is going to give us any type of real good support, and I'm looking for price to break down through this support at 33 up to 34, down to 33.10. So I'm looking for that to really play out this week and see how strong is this level here at 33.10 down to 32.75. That is the main area of interest that I have right now. What are we going to find down here in the 33 area? Okay, is this thing going to be strong or not? So that is the real question that I have, and I would like to see us continue down until we're retesting areas like this. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, we can see that prices drop back down here, and price has actually found support off of a 4-hour time frame going back almost well, let's look at how long exactly it's going back here. So go to our properties, and it was actually formed back in November, okay, November 23rd. So looking at this level, obviously it's been hit several times, and I think that there's enough strength in the market to the downside that we will see this area break and then see that important retest of the 33.19, 33.10 zone. There's also that daily zone down there. See how strong that yellow zone is here on the 4-hour time frame, and then we will make the decision point at that point, or I should say price will make the decision at that point. So if we can find good support, I could easily see us breaking the highs here at 38, but only time will tell as far as us finding support here at 33 even, roughly. And if it does, then I could see us resuming the move to the upside and really breaking yearly highs at 38. But that's very, very long term. This week, I would like to see us go down into the 33.19 zone, and then price will tell us what's going to happen from there.